Hey guys! This pour tonight is also going to be a pour that I use my blow dryer. So actually this was my tiny one that I tried out the technique and I like where this was going, so I wanted to try it bigger. I already did 50 by 50, I think the other one was 40 by 50, and this one is what I'm going to do now. And this one is also a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas. Again, I use blues and aqua, then I started with some gold and some white, and then to just bring out contrast in the piece, I added orange. Red, orange and gold. Really happy with what happened right here. You see, yeah. They're like small cells, bubbles that popped up. It's really nice. I didn't use any silicone. I never use silicone because I feel like I don't have control over the cells. Same thing, but they don't pop up as much. And with the silicone, yeah, it's kind of a love-hate relationship. I like cells, but I don't like them too much. So I stay away from the silicone for now. Maybe later. So again, let me show you a little bit more of the details. Like right here, you have some more cells and lacing. Again with this side, and then you have a lot of depth right here. And that's because I layer my paints before I blow them out. Again with this. So yeah. Okay. So if you like what you see and you want to know how I did it, keep watching and I will show you. This is a used canvas. I'm going to re-pour it because that last one was fail. Really fail. So instead of letting it dry when I already know I'm not going to like it, I just scrape off all the paint and then wipe it with some tissue paper, and then I can reuse it. Again, I will start with my paints gray. I want my darker color underneath the other paint. So this is my paints gray. It's more than enough. Then I have my phthalo blue and I added ultramarine and then a ton of iridescent medium. That will make it shine, and this is the consistency, pretty watery. So I'm going to layer that on top of that. That's it. Then this one is it's a greenish blue. It's called indigo. So same consistency. Just pouring it all over. Then I will use my turquoise. See? I think I want to keep it lighter on top again. So first I will try and blow this out and see what I get. Some nice stuff is happening. Okay. So I will add some lighter colors. I still can see some of the canvas, doesn't matter. I still have to blow a lot more. So I'll go this way and all the way. Wait. Here we go. Oopsie. add some of this. That is so cool. And this, oh my god. This here, not too much. And here it's a bit flat. So I will add some gold and some white. Thinking. From here all the way, oh, down there. Right over my beautiful cells. Just great. Okay, I need to add more of the Payne's gray right here. I want to change this. I want this wave to go like that, but not down here. So I need to put more darker colors. I think right here I will put some orange. Just here. And of course some gold. And just blow it out. I think she's ready. Okay, I will take the camera down so you can see the details. Okay, that's it. This is a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas. And so, let me show you some details. Look at that lacing of the orange and the reds. And the lines with the gold. And then on top there, some lacing. And right there, everything with the gold. And then right here, there's a beautiful piece. Look at it. shiny because there was iridescent medium in my blue, in my phthalo blue, and then with the gold, oh, it's so shiny. Same thing is happening here, and then look at this, so pretty. Okay, so thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.